guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, today is finally the Bridgerton themed wedding that I have been talking about all on Amazon, on YouTube, on Facebook, like anywhere you follow me, you've probably heard me mention this wedding. Now, I don't know if you guys are a Bridgerton fan, but if you are, let me know what season you like best. Is it season 1, 2, or 3? Be sure to look down in the comments for my favorite season, and I want you to comment your favorite season down below. So without any further ado, let's get started. The beautiful wedding of Ladarian and Jessica took place at the Opryland Resorts in Nashville, and you guys, just the venue in and of itself was picturesque, and the job for our team was to just go in and enhance the beauty that was already there. And so when she told me that the wedding ceremony would take place in the atrium, I knew right away that I wanted to just kind of play off the beautiful greenery that was already there surrounding the space. She wanted an aisle full of florals, so we adorned the area with florals all the way down the aisles on both sides, around the signs, and down the front of I think this is more of a gazebo, I would say. And then we added the draping around, and it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I was so happy with the way that it turned out. It was just beautiful. It was absolutely beautiful. I was so excited to see it really all come into fruition. It's one thing to have a vision. It's a totally different thing to see your vision come into fruition. And this was a project that I had worked on for at least 6 months just on flowers alone. It took about 6 months to get it all worked out. The next project was I wanted a floral wall that would just really capture the beauty and the elegance of the afternoon. And of course, you guys know my go-to for floral walls is Rose Morning. And this Carlos wall is in the blue and white. And if you guys have been following the TV show Bridgerton, you know that blue and white is kind of the color of the Bridgerton family, like blues and whites and lilacs, and that's just kind of their underlying color. And I am in love with this wall because it just embodied the entire Bridgerton feel. It was classy, it was timeless, and I knew that this was something that I wanted to add in at the wedding. And so once we got the flower wall finished and we put the wings on either side to kind of accent it, it was just a perfect space for the photo bar for the guests, along with, we had the treats and everything in the hallway with that. My girl Rachel came through on the treats, and then I also added a floral welcome box there, and it just kind of nodded to the Bridgerton theme there as well. And then we had the 8-foot tall seating charts that were just absolutely gorgeous. And I just thought that the space was amazing. And I will leave the link to Rose Morning down below. But let me tell you guys, it was a huge hit. It was a huge hit. And so there was a lot of transferring, from one area to the next, from the wedding to the reception ceremony. So a huge shout out to my Lux Academy students. You guys did an incredible job in helping me to pull this entire space together. Their wedding was held in the Magnolia Ballroom. And so one of the things that I wanted to do in this ballroom was just to accentuate the beauty and the class and the sophistication that was already there. Now, again, her colors were different hues of the blue, lilac with a pop of gold. And we monogrammed the napkins. There were just so many different details that we added to this space. I have everything in my Amazon storefront in terms of the detail pieces, like the table numbers and various things that can be found on Amazon. I have them linked, and I will link that down below. But you guys, the florals, the table numbers, the carpet, just everything came together so well. It meshed together so well, and it turned out absolutely beautifully. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed just every aspect of this as much as we enjoyed putting it together. This wedding to me was such a challenge. It was something new, something different, and something that I definitely enjoyed sharing. So with that being said, I would love for you to be a part of the Lux for Less family, because here I love to educate, I love to empower, I love to inspire, encourage, and I love to edify. So if you love all things positive and all things beautiful, you will fit in our family just fine. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button and you will be a part of the Lux for Less family. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you guys at the next video, and everything that you need will be found down in the description box below on Amazon. I will link everything that I use in today's wedding that I can find. I will link it down below. So thank you all so much again. I will see you at the next one. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!